After you've logged into Moodle, the first page you'll see is your individual Moodle page, or as it's called, your dashboard. Right away, you'll see how flexible and customizable Moodle is. On your Moodle dashboard page, you'll notice what Moodle calls blocks. I'll start on the top left. I see News, My Courses. Now moving to the right, Moodle Help, Accessibility, some events, a calendar, Moodle Messages, Badges, Files, and Online Users. This site is customizable. You have the ability to make this page look the way you'd like it. You can move modules around. You can make them uh, visible or invisible. You can perform that customization by clicking on Customize this page and then using the settings and arrows options within the modules to manipulate them around the screen to your liking. I'm going to go ahead and click on a course called Reading Lab. I'm using this course for demonstration purposes only. Notice that as I move my mouse through some of the items within this course, links light up, and that's how I know I can click on that item, just like anything else on the internet. I'm going to go to the right, and I'm going to click on this welcome message in the news forum block. This would also be considered an activity. Now that we're in this activity, we need to know how to get back to the main course page. Some courses utilize something called the navigation block, which I'm highlighting right now. So I can move my mouse over to the navigation tab, and I can click back onto the current course, which brings me back to the main page of this Reading Lab class. I'm going to go ahead and click on that welcome message again to show you another way of moving through courses in Moodle. Notice here I see what's called a breadcrumb trail. It lets me know exactly where I've been. I can go ahead and click on that course ID to go back to the main page of that class. Now that we understand how to return to the main page, let's take a closer look at the main page of this Moodle course. Although your course may look different, the basic structure and placement of items are the same on each Moodle course. All Moodle courses organize information, activities, and assignments into units, which are displayed on the main page. The top of the Moodle course is called the General section because it includes items and information for participants to refer to throughout the course. Announcement forums, the syllabus for the whole course, and a questions form for students to ask questions to the facilitator or professor all belong in this General section. As we scroll down, you will notice weekly units that include resources, along with assignments, discussions, choice activities, and other activities that need to be accomplished within that week. Notice the blocks on the right-hand side of the screen. These blocks help to communicate and manage the course experience. Please note that the blocks can be moved anywhere on the right and in different orders. We are simply reviewing these blocks to demonstrate what they can do. On the left side, we find the navigation block with a structural organization for getting around in a course. So I'm over on navigation, and if I click on participants, I see a list of all the participants in the course. You can view profiles of other students, and reviewing these profiles is a great way to learn about others in your course, especially if you're in a distance learning program. Let's take a look at the My Profile block. I can find that on the top right of the screen next to my name and by going down to Profile. The options within the My Profile menu all relate to you as a user. You can view your own profile, forum posts, blog entries, and private files. One important feature in this menu is the Messages link. You can send messages through Moodle to other participants in the course. Our last Moodle item has to do with your editing your profile. I'm still here on my profile page. I'd gotten there by clicking on the top right. You can do that from anywhere, anytime in Moodle. And I'm going to click on Edit Profile. There are a few important items to fill in here, starting with city, town. It's interesting to see where others are from within your course. You can enter a city or a town here and select a country as well. And then lastly, but still very importantly, we can click here to add a user picture. Also very helpful, especially as a new student here at Landmark. All I would do is drag and drop a picture right in here to create the profile picture for you. And then I would go ahead and click on Update Profile.